Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealth and Health Mastery. Today, we're answering one of the most common questions I get about intermittent fasting. Can you drink coffee while fasting? The short answer is yes, but there's a little more to it than that. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to break it all down for you. We'll talk about what kind of coffee works best, what to add or not to add to your coffee, and how to make sure it doesn't break your fast. Let's dive in. First things first. Coffee should not raise your blood sugar if you want to stay in a fasted state. But here's the thing, not everyone reacts to coffee the same way. For some, it has zero effect. For others, it might nudge their blood sugar up just enough to break their fast. Here's how to check. Step number 1 is test your blood sugar before you drink your coffee. Step number 2 is have your coffee plain, no cream or sugar yet. Make sure to test your blood sugar again 1 hour later. If your blood sugar stays the same, or even drops slightly, you're still fasting. But if it goes up by more than 5 to 10 points, that coffee might be pulling you out of a fasted state. Now let's talk about quality. Not all coffee is created equal. Most conventional coffee is full of pesticides, chemicals, and even mold. That's why I always recommend clean organic coffee. It's worth spending a little extra on quality because clean coffee is better for your body and your fasting routine. If you're into cold brew, you can heat it up for a smooth, easy option in the morning, or stick with a hot, freshly brewed cup. Just make sure it's clean. Here's where things get fun. What can you add to your coffee without breaking your fast? Add these. You can add MCT oil. This is my go-to. It helps you get into a fat-burning state faster and boosts mental clarity. You can add butter or ghee. A small amount of high-quality butter or ghee can enhance fat burning and make your coffee extra creamy. And you can also add raw cream. If you can find raw cream, it's packed with enzymes and probiotics that support your gut. Avoid these sugar or artificial sweeteners. These will spike your blood sugar and break your fast. Collagen powder. I love collagen, but I save it for my eating window because it can interfere with autophagy, so keep it simple. Clean coffee, healthy fats, and no sweeteners. Now, for those of you wondering about coffee and hormones, especially my female viewers, here's what you need to know. Quality matters. Skip sugary coffee drinks from big chains. They're hard on your liver and hormones. Clean, intentional coffee with the right additions can actually support your fasting and hormonal balance. So, can you drink coffee while intermittent fasting? Yes, but make sure it's clean, test how your body reacts, and stick to fasting-friendly additions. Remember, coffee isn't the miracle here. You are the miracle. Fasting works because your body is amazing at what it does when you give it the right tools. If you are interested to learn more about fasting, check out my book on Amazon. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves coffee as much as you do. And if you have any favorite coffee tips or hacks, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers to your health and wealth.